Good job. Orange. Naka-try, naka-ihi sa bed.
Oh my.
Ihi sa bed.
First I have to push it, then inside is out.
What's the sound effects? What the sound effects? So many. Ew. Good morning, guys! Look at my hair! Another day, baby. Another day. Mami, medyo pangit ang pagmata ni Mami kay gapanghaw iyang kamot. Sakit, di ba? Sakit yung kamot, sakit iyana. Dugay lang siya ka-complain. So, buti na lang ay online doctors. Si Doc Jerome Basang, o akong iso niya si Doc Rogin. So, painom lang siya og tambal. High blood na ginabi, gore. Sakit yung kamot, ana. Na-edit na ako ang gahapon, so karon another day. So mintos ka quarantine tagawa, buhat lang nato ni daily vlog. Unya mag Facebook live sa ko unya. Try na to. So i-schedule na ko. So today, i-schedule na ang mga bata magdula per hour lang. Tapos unya alas 10 zumba na sa exercise. Then breakfast, hot dog and sana. Mga balls. Hilig yun yung asawa balls. May og sa kadugay na ako na-discover sa akong Mac sa akong pag-record siyang screen. Karon pa na ako na-discover. Magini mga usay na yung mga kaning coronavirus, no? At least ba nakay ma-discover. nakay ma-discover sa mga aparador. Mga dugay nimo nga nangawala nga mga brief makita nimo. Mga karaang butang nga kailangan nimo i-surrender, i-donate baka ha. Diyan ako sa balay na kami si Bonbon ko. Ay, kusik-kusik na. O dagan mga asawa ni reklamo na nagpost sa Facebook na please padyutihan na mo mga bana kay hapdos na daw kaayo. Unsa din yung gipang buhat? Nagsinisi-ay mo sa inyong mga panit nganong nangahapdos man na? Later mag Facebook live ko. Sa mga nagpa-shoutout diya, ako i-try karon na. So, mahos ako. Okay? Breakfast is live. Another day. Bye, Mami. Bag. Alright. So where am I going? So this time ato ko sa Uptown. Check na to ang update sa Uptown kung nabay abri nga mga abri nga mga sa tawag gani. Abri nga pharmacy. Dugayan ako nakaunaw na. Loading.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Alright, let's go. Alright. So, good job. Mercury Drug. So, na sila silupin silang teller para hindi makasulod ng virus. Turot-turot na po ng biroka. Vitamins na siya. Mo siya na akong ginainom. Hapit sa taong 7-Eleven every day. Good job.
I am officially unemployed. I just signed my unemployment. Yeah.
Why look pre? May data sa try ta sa champs. Orange. Dorian and orange. Okay na nang kuha na, sige lang. Tag 110, 110, 100, 100 na lang. Ta 150 ang durian. Kung nga, sige lang. Ibito niya akong kwarta. Nas na lang ito. Champs. Should I park here? Parking is there. I'm gonna buy. Alright, I'm here. Ang champs, di kayo strict on champs. Walay silupin, walay kuan. 7-Eleven lang ang medyo strict. Perfect. Alright, it's time to go home. I'm gonna go home. Alright. Done. I'm here. Di na ako pwede. Tambal ra gisugos ako, dagan kay ko gipalit ng chuchuchu.
How's your journey?
Give me the alcohol, give me alcohol.
Are you vlogging?
Yep.
Alcohol here, Daddy. Hey guys.
Daddy's butter nice. Okay. The butter. How about you?
Kasi maraming hindi nakakaintindi ng proseso ng pagkuha ng testing.
Hello guys.
Game man. Hi guys. Told you what Mingaw. This is already a request of our baby Ella for the nuts. Good in the Guilty, mabasa ba? Guilty or not guilty? Okay, who will do the first? Me first?
No,
The
from
first
left to
speaker.
right.
Me first. Me first.
Who's gonna say
Me.
the question?
2 questions each. No.
The say the question ba?
Each.
Each galing, each one.
Oh.
Prepare question.
We didn't plan this out. We
You will
just turned
do.
on the camera and it started.
Who will do the first?
Daddy, Daddy.
I'll just ask.
Daddy.
I'll do it first.
Yeah.
Okay. First,
Think.
cheating in school.
Cheating.
Cheating like during quizzes or exam.
No.
Okay,
Guilty or not
During
guilty?
exam. No, not exam.
No, quizzes, basta in school,
Okay.
cheating.
Why?
Mommy, your answer is not guilty.
You're.
Not
Me
guilty.
is guilty.
Oh my God!
But not guilty. If you added seat work, I'll put guilty.
Guilty?
Seat work.
But that's not guilty. Not guilty.
You said with quizzes, exam,
Not guilty.
not
In school
guilty.
though,
But-
Daddy said in
But
school.
during seat works,
Seat
sometimes.
works sometimes. Ella,
Daddy said in school.
not guilty. You've never tried cheating, Ella?
Seat work.
How about you, Raver? Be honest.
Guilty.
Guilty! During quizzes?
Before.
Quizzes or no?
Hala ka!
If you include seat works, I would put guilty.
Quizzes.
Quizzes na.
Mami pa ka na-try ugan? Mopia? Really? Quizzes?
Mommy's such a good angel.
Remember.
Hey, I copy my classmate in
I
exam.
don't remember.
Did you know I copy
When
my
I was
exam?
still in college,
Copy my exam.
2 questions.
naka-try, naka-ihi sa bed.
Oh my.
Ihi sa bed. Peed sa bed. Ready, Mami? Guilty!
Gamay pa ako.
Daddy is
Something.
guilty.
Until now. Until now.
Si Ella.
Ella?
Guilty.
Guilty. Rusty?
Guilty. One
Guilty.
Oh yeah, I know that.
And Raver?
Not Jojo guilty.
Guilty. Everybody?
time. Peas in their
Nakaihi. Og until now, makaihi pagyapon sa bed.
Si Anna.
Guilty.
Si Ella, man.
Until now.
Guilty.
Until now,
Si Ella.
Rusty,
Delete.
Raver,
Si Ella.
not guilty na.
No.
Na, Mami.
When I try to pee in the middle of the night,
Okay.
I have to hold it in because
Who was most likely to pee in the pool?
Have you tried?
No, but most likely. Yes.
like always, like always.
Like, oh, sometimes. Like, one time in your life.
Okay, I
Okay,
know.
so nakaihi na sa pool.
Pee on the pool or on the beach?
Mami,
In the pool.
Mommy is guilty. Me is guilty again. I'm always guilty. I'm such a bad person.
Okay, quit.
How about you, Ella? Pee in the pool.
In the pool. Guilty.
You're always
But which pool?
But which pool, though?
Which pool?
Which pool?
In a hotel.
Oh.
In a hotel.
Which
Okay.
hotel though?
Rusty,
Guilty.
guilty. Raver,
Guilty.
guilty. Everybody's guilty. Peeing in the pool.
We're so sorry for those people's pool.
Pangihi sa mga swimming pool.
Who peed in their pants accidentally or purposely.
Guilty! In fairness, anak ko ito ba? Not guilty! No, never tried. Oh, na-try yung mga pantalon.
Yeah, you know how embarrassing that is.
Ella,
Guilty.
guilty.
But just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Guilty.
Guilty?
One time in my UN, I was holding.
Oh my God.
But it's already starting. So, shh.
In the UN?
Yeah, I don't want to bahag something when mommy puts it's covering my pee.
Oh yeah, I remember. I remember ko na.
I was on stage.
Naka-costume ka ito on stage na nakaihi ka. Yeah.
I peed in my
Blingling's
pants.
years. How about you, Raver?
Guilty.
Guilty.
Okay, so no.
As always, guilty.
Here. Now I figure out now. It's the next question.
Yeah, what's
No,
your
it's
next?
already mommy's turn.
What's your
No,
next
2
question?
questions.
Say, what's your next question?
Like, you think it's a fart, but it's tae. Oh, I know.
You think it's a tot, but it's tae. So naka-utot with tae.
Oh yeah. Oh God.
Yuck.
Mommy!
What is it, tae?
Oh,
Like, you think it's...
not guilty. Mommy's not guilty. Daddy is guilty.
nag-asa question mo na siya guilty number 1.
Ella, what Ella?
Guilty.
Guilty!
It's in your kinder.
Ah, senior kinder. Okay. Rusty?
Guilty.
Guilty?
One time in Mami Nasal, I wanted to fart, but it was like a big sloppy igit. No, Nanny was so mad.
See?
Because I
Ay,
ate.
nanay, I told nanay man ito.
I don't remember really.
See, it was like I was drinking medicine.
Ito man sa
My tummy was aching.
Puerto?
So Puerto, like I wanted to. After I ate Mami Nasal, I wanted to fart, but my tummy was on. Big slime.
How will
Ew.
it
Sa chair, what was I?
Manginasal, what? Manginasal?
Sa Gaisano.
be? Ano ba?
Gaisano?
Wait, near Bugo.
Nakaigit ka sa Gaisano.
Puerto. Isano Puerto.
Raver! Oh my God! I don't know if guilty ba sa deal.
Oh my God, I already know that. I already know
Raver?
that.
Guilty!
Guilty.
Until now.
Until now.
Until now, as
I don't-
always.
Every day, I feel like it's gonna fart, so I have to push it. Then inside is out.
Ew.
There's
What's the sound effects? What the sound effects? So many.
Ew.
Ako mga anak, mapalaigit.
Yeah.
Oh, Mami, your question, Mami.
Kaya naliwat sila sa imos.
Nakakita mo butang, it's not
What's
yours.
butang?
Ah.
Like you get something that's not yours.
Yeah, it's not yours, then you do not return it. It's not yours, then you do not return it. You see something, then you just
get it and
you
then
just
tell
get it.
everyone.
Yeah. Mommy,
For not information.
not guilty.
Ready.
Daddy is
Always.
guilty. When I was still in college, I saw a cell phone.
Oh no.
Oh,
And
wow.
I gave it to Tito Doctor.
Oh.
And he thought it was my gift. Hi to Tito Doctor.
Still?
Yeah, it's a cell phone. Remember
You just
katong
get it,
cellphone,
but you
cellphone
just
bitong
get
atong abri-abri ana.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you just get it.
That is still not
Dahil
No, I
for
saw it
not
somewhere.
permission, For not
No, I saw it
permission.
somewhere. And I'll just so like this.
No, but
I just did hello. Then show the SIM.
The question.
When I was still in college.
The question is like
You saw something, it's not yours, but you did not return it na.
Ah, you get that
Guilty
thing.
or not guilty?
You get
return
it and you didn't return it. That's
Guilty or
not
not
yours.
guilty?
Dun, dun, dun.
Guilty.
Guilty?
What did you
What?
get?
What did you get?
Mommy's money.
What kind?
Mommy's money.
What?
Like, I saw Ella one time looking in Ella's bag and Mommy's bag. Said, Ella, what are you doing? Nothing. And then when
Is it
Mommy looked at Ella's wallet,
one man,
there
what
was a
man?
1,000 in her wallet.
You're getting 1,000.
No!
Nah. So what did you get there? Why you're guilty, man? What man? What thing?
What did you get? I just got Kuya's phone.
Ow,
You give it back to me.
What you get?
No!
My turn.
Alright.
Guilty.
Guilty?
What did
Pens on the floor.
Yeah.
If I see a pen on the floor, that's already mine.
Oh my God, I know.
Oh, you didn't
That's
ask her
what
whose pen is this?
No, I just grab it.
That's what you
Especially if
call-
it's like a signed pen.
That's what you call finders keepers.
Finders keepers.
It's on
How
the
many
floor.
E in the finders keepers?
Finders. 3? No, 4.
Three.
No,
Four.
keepers. It's 4. Finder.
When
Keeper.
what are you, River? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty always in my class.
I thought you told me.
Oh,
I stole
no.
a pencil.
Because I, like after class or like in lunchtime or snack time, when I see a pencil on their floor, I'll just get it.
And there's a name.
And then, no, when there's a name, I put a marker. I erase it. Permanent.
Ooh.
Oh, look.
That's not good
But
thing.
as soon as they look at
Now I know who's the baddest kid I have.
What? What do you say? Because I leave what to you.
Who secretly hates their parents?
Ooh.
What? What's the question?
At some point, you hated your parents.
Like just for one time.
Just a point, like a moment that you really hated
Mommy,
them.
Daddy also have the answer
That's a
because
nice
they have
question.
the
That's a nice question. Like one point of your life.
That you were really
You
hate
hated.
like you want to, yeah.
1, 2,
Like you wanna express your
3. You shout your answer. 1, 2, 3.
Guilty!
Mami. Guilty ka.
Sa una.
Kay,
Parang hindi ka palago.
yeah.
What?
Di sa Palagon. Nanay will not allow her. Imagine na, even when we were still in college, mommy's not allowed to go overnight.
To go.
Yeah.
To go overnight.
Yep.
Because anything.
But I say thanks to Nanay, because if she allows mommy, maybe she got pregnant early.
Yes.
Sana
She might get.
I'm guilty because Papa always bunal me before.
Ow.
So every time he bunals me, I said, I hate you. Just go back to Saudi.
Saudi?
Yeah, because he was working in Saudi Arabia before. He was an OFW. So I said, go out.
Go out.
Don't come back. I hate you.
Whoa.
You express your feelings.
But now I just realized how I love my dad.
Yeah.
Because he's the one providing us.
Like when you realize everything.
How about you, Ella?
Not guilty.
Are you
Not
sure?
guilty?
You sure?
You never hated us? Even though we scolded you sometimes?
No.
Huh? No?
It
I
does.
think I believe that.
I believe Ella. I don't see her like when Ella said, okay.
Because I like you, Mom, Daddy, and Mommy.
You don't love them, you only like them.
You like Kuya?
How about you, Kuya?
Guilty. One
Yeah.
moment when I was young.
What?
Why? What happened
I
then?
don't know. I wanted you to buy something for me. And you didn't buy it, so I was so mad.
What was that?
Toys?
Toys.
Oh, okay.
It was toys.
Sana all the my toys.
What toys is
I wanted like a surprise egg or something. And didn't want me to buy, so I was so mad. I wanted to lock myself in the room.
For that certain egg. How about you, Raver? You should love us. What's that?
Guilty.
Guilty? Why? When was that? Now?
Now.
Now?
Now.
Like a couple of
Days ago.
Since you were quarantined?
Months? Why?
Since when you were quarantined.
because
Because what?
like Kuya's already downstairs and I'm upstairs. I'm so busy upstairs while Kuya's just like playing computer. Then instead you call me instead of Kuya, like a lot of times.
And that's it?
That's it.
Then you
I keep
hated
on going
us?
down and up, going down up.
Then you hated us over that?
Because of that.
Then go up, then down, go up and down.
It's exercise.
It's
It's
exercise, my
I'm a
God.
Kuya.
Because the
man.
doctor
I'm already
knows.
thin. You are very fast.
Shut up, man.
Ella has a question. What's your question?
What's your question?
Who secretly wants to hurt your sibling?
No.
No. Who hate their siblings?
You wanted to hate them and like throw them
Hated
out
your
the-
siblings.
Like you wanted to throw them
Yeah,
out
I
the
want
window.
you. Who's that?
Yeah, we were guilty.
Oh.
Guilty.
Guilty because I don't
Before,
like
before,
Kuya
before.
Raver.
I think it's normal for you hated.
Guilty.
Like,
Kuya
you wanted to throw them out of
Raver.
a window.
Why man guilty man, Kuya?
And why are you all looking at me?
Why man guilty man, Kuya?
Because I'm handsome. Worldwide handsome.
All of us are guilty.
You're not worldwide handsome.
Alright.
I'm WWW. I'm guilty.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, peace, peace.
Can you put extra minutes na? Extra